Oh, they lost access to one of my accounts, so I have to log back into that. All right, cool. So I guess I'll have to try to go live there again. Cool. All right, so we are live. All right, cool. We're live. Hello, ndewo, umibe, ndewo. What was the other word? Ndewo umibe. I was gonna say ndewo. Let's just say ndinkem. Ndewo ndinkem. Ndewo umibe. Thank you. Dalo maka ile onyonyo nka. So today I'm going to do a little exercise where I practice conversational Igbo. Sorry, I'm parched. I need to drink some water. Excuse me. Today I'm going to practice Igbo for about an hour. Yes, you heard me right. About an hour. Elekere, otu elekere. So, otumge she meya bona. First, I'm going to show a picture. It's going to be like, I have about 10 pictures. First, I'm going to show Otu picture. And then I'm going to the picture. So I'm going to either tell a story or describe the picture in Igbo. So if I do one picture, I'll go to the next picture. If I do one picture for maybe 1 minute or 3 minutes, it may not even take 1 hour. It may take 10 minutes or 20 minutes. But if I do one picture and let me turn off my phone so I'm not distracted. If I do one picture, I'll go to the next picture. If I do one picture, I'll describe the picture in Igbo. Whatever I see, I'm just going to start talking about it. And then if I do that picture, I'll go to the next picture. So I'm just going to jump right into it and get started. Wish me luck. So here's the first picture. Wait, let me take this title off so it doesn't actually. I will take off my my name too. I don't think I can. Okay, I'll just use that to practice speak Igbo. Okay. Can be though. Okay. Actually, let me turn my phone on because I need a timer. I need to know when it's 1 minute because I'm going to talk about it for 1 minute, even though I've already cheated because I'm looking at the picture right now. So I know what I'm going to say. So let me just do this one. Okay. So, like I can't see if it's 1 minute. That's why I'm trying to turn back on my phone so I can see when 1 minute pass. But why ya nege ihe na ntị ọ dịka ọ nwere ike ịbụ egwuregwu maọbụ or egwu is egwuregwu is play, egwu is music. Okay, let me start my timer and start over. Sorry, guys. You can correct me in the comment section if I'm not doing well. Hold on, let me set my timer and then I'll talk for 1 minute each time. Ready? Timer. Set 1 minute. 1 minute. And go. Okay. Wanya amakaze isi ya na-eto ogologo, ntutu isi ya na-eto ogologo, oyiri akwa ọcha n'ahụ ya n'elu, trouser ya, amaghị m otu isi ekwu trouser n'asụsụ Igbo. Trouser ya bụ jeans, ọ na-acha ndundu. No, ndundu is green. Ọ na-acha ka otu isi ekwu blue n'asụsụ Igbo. Ihu igwe. ọ na-ege ihe na ntị. O nwere ike ịbụ egwu. Okay, that's 1 minute. Next one. That one was I was so nervous. Maybe it'll get easier. Okay. This guy. Okay. Let me start my timer again. Timer. Ready? Okay. Woka nenyi okpu nishi ya. Okpu ya na-acha ọbara. Anya ya na-acha ihu igwe. Echefuru the word for blue. I'll look it up after this. Oneyi. How do you say shirt in Igbo? Echefuru ka. Oneyi uwe nacha oji. Afọnụ ya dị ọ na-atọ ogologo. What else can I say about this picture? Okay, good. Time's up. Okay, let's go to the next picture. We'll try to do these in 1 minute each. Okay. Ready? Okay. Woka nezuike. Odega ọ na-aga ọrụ ụbọchị nke ọ nọ n'ihu mmiri or ọ nọ n'akụkụ mmiri na-achọ azụ. Amaghị m otu ndị Igbo na-ekwu going fishing n'asụsụ Igbo, mana ka anyị kọwaa ya sị na ọ na-achọ azụ. Azụ is fish. Ọ yi okpu n'isi ya. Okpu ya na-acha oji. O nwere ọtụtụ osisi na-agba gburugburu ebe ọ nọ. Okay, good job. Let's go to the next picture. Okay, ready? Timer. Woka mara mma. O nwere afọ ọnụ na-atọ afọ ọnụ ya adịghị atọ ogologo. I don't know how to say excessively. He doesn't have too much beard. I don't know how to say it. Uwe ya nacha. I keep saying uhiwigwe. I need to find the right word for blue because there's a word for blue. I keep forgetting it and nobody's correcting me. Mana uwe ya nacha ihuigwe. Ntutu isi ya na to obele ogologo. Ana m ahụ osisi n'azụ ya. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let me set the timer. Watakịrị nwa nke amaka. Ọ dịka ọnwa nwanyị. Ọ na-asa ahụ. Ọ dịka ọ n'ime ebe a na-asa efere. Maka n'ihi na ebe a dị ntakịrị. Obele ohere onwe ebe ọ dịka nne ya dowe ya n'ime ya. Mmiri ncha nọ n'ime mmiri ebe ọ nọ. Isi ya Odika o kere ishia otu owegiki. I was gonna say that in a way that she can't get her hair wet, but I don't know how to say that in Igbo very well, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Next one. Okay, timer. Wow, wine ya. Odika mmiri na boyanko mobo ona kwa okwara. Is that how you say cough in Igbo? Mobo ona like on how do you say sore throat? Akbere or I don't remember how to say sore throat, but I think I always sore throat mobo. One of the other things I chefulum or geku sore throat. On nelu aqua on ekporo nelu aqua. I don't know how to pronounce the aquas again. Always confuse me. Oneyi nail polish nke nacha ocha. Uwe ya nacha ocha ma what you call this thing? The cloth aqua nonelu aquaya nacha. That's so funny. I'm trying to say the cloth on her bed is also white, but you have to say the two aquas to say it. So I'm saying it wrong. So I have to, so in order for me to say it right, I have to pronounce it appropriately. Mana, I failed that one already. So let me just go to the next one. Okay, let me try this one. Hey, my phone doesn't want to open again. Okay. All right. So, her smile, marama. Ona okuroto nihu osimiri ka mmadụ sere ya foto. Oji her coat n'aka. Akwa ọ na-eyi n'ahụ nacha ihu igwe. I have to find out. After this, I must go and find a word for blue. What else would I say? I hold him Nazoya enwe ọtụtụ osisi. The how do you say far? Or they don't not in so, but anya. Yes. Okay. Next one. What will I even say about this guy? Wait, let me set my timer. Okay. Woke nga. Oyiri dibia beke. To me, maka coats oyiri na hoya. Onwe ugebanya na anya ya. Afonu ya adiga togologo. Coats ya amamochi se ku coats na Igbo. Coats ya na chocha. Amam ihe na akpọ ihe oyiri n'olu ya mana ọ na-acha oji. Ishi ya na-acha oji, afọ ọnụ ya na-acha oji, eze ya na-acha ọcha. Onwe anya abụọ, onwe ntị abụọ, onwe otu imi, otu ọnụ. There's not too much in this picture for me to talk about. So did I even set my timer? I feel like I'm going on too long. Onwe there's not too much to talk about, so I just kept trying to make up things to say. I think I have one last picture left. I thought I had 10 pictures. It looks like I only have 9. Last picture. Ready? Ready, set, go. Okay. Him nele bo wanya bo. Ọ dịka ha bo enyi ha wo enyi onwe ha. Ọ dịka ha na-eme mmemme gbasara mmemme gbasara ụbọchị amụrụ onye otu n'ime ha. Ọ dịka ụbọchị ncheta ọmụmụ otu n'ime ha. Ha abụọ na-anọdụ n'elu oche na-acha edo. Ha nọ n'ime ụlọ. Yay! I'm done. Yes. So that was just a little exercise that I did to practice speaking Igbo. It's not too complicated. It's not too, it's just something I made up. I was like, okay, I'm going to take random pictures from the internet and, try to talk about the pictures, and I'm going to time myself and the reason I put the timer is because I was like, well, if I just try to talk in Igbo and I give myself, okay, put the picture there and just talk until I get tired of talking, there's a certain level of frustration, or even like you either give up or it's like you won't it's not a challenge anymore. So there's a part of you that will kind of get either lazy, or you may feel like you're doing too much. But if you know that it's going to end in 1 minute, not only will you try your best in that 1 minute, but you will also won't get discouraged that, oh, it's taking too long. I don't know if I should move on or not. So if I give myself a time limit, it's kind of like, it encourages me to make the best of my minute and then move on to the next thing. So that's why I came up with this idea for a little, somebody's talking. Dalo Pius, Chidi Pius, Dalo. He says, very impressive. Yeah, so it's just a little idea that I had. If I give myself that minute, it forces me to do my best within that minute. And then if I don't, and then move on, because that minute is over. Now I can't go back to that minute. So I think it's a cool little fun activity. Anybody, you can do it yourself if it helps you, if you're trying to learn a language. I've seen people do something similar on YouTube, but not really this way that I did. I did it kind of my own special way. And I'm going to try to do it every once in a while. Just to challenge myself. Dalu hejirika bukason. I'll try to do it once in a while just to challenge myself and to keep practicing Igbo. So remember, if you are interested in learning Igbo, or if you the diaspora, or you're growing up in the diaspora and you don't want to lose track of your roots, you can always carry Igbo with you no matter where you are. And you yourself are still Igbo, and you can still, continue to hold on to your heritage, continue to learn and study no matter where you are. Nothing stops you from doing that. The only challenge you have is just deciding to say yes. So ikwere ekwe, onye kwe chi ekwe, daalụnụ. Take care. Bye.